Dear Sir, Madam, Lady, Gentlemen, Professor, Scholar, Researcher, and everyone here, today I'm very honored and happy to present my speech, Recover and Heal related to climate change. In our 11th International Multidisciplinary Research Conference in Education, Tourism, Environmental Science and Technology, theme leveraging sustainable climate to education, international cross-cultural exchange and professional development, ICEPD-Thailand. In, in October 11-15, 2024 in Batam, Indonesia. I am Professor Dr. Nguyễn from Vietnam, my email and my home. And I'm very honored and happy to have a strong connection with all of you. Now, I begin my speech. Healing mechanism. One, I begin my speech with a medical subject. That's a good healing mechanism involved in foster a disease such as one, hemostasis, two, inflammation, three, proliferation, and four, remodeling and maturation, where the recovery process focuses on proliferation, remodeling and maturation. Two, according to my opinion, environment problems can be related to three sub-problems such as environmental pollution, global warming, and global warming and three activities of atmosphere and tectonic plates. Climate is the direct consequence of the three sub-problems, in which environmental pollution is the most serious sub-problem because it is in turn direct consequence of global warming and it also makes the sub-problems of activity of atmosphere and tectonic more serious. Moreover, environmental pollution also causes serious different problems and decrease people's life quality. However, environmental pollution is a man-made problem and so it can be solved by human whereas it's nearly impossible for humans to influence on activity of atmosphere and tectonic. Therefore, we should focus on the sub-problem of environmental pollution. If the Earth is considered human, environmental pollution will be considered a wood right question. If so, what's a healing mechanism? According to my opinion, the Earth healing mechanism includes two operations. One, recovering ecosystem, and two, extreme weather phenomenon like El Nino and La Nina. For instance, vegetation recovery is one approach about recovering ecosystem. Some fantastic scientific discoveries indicate occurrence of some uh, extinct species. Extreme weather phenomena belong to the defense mechanism of nature against environmental problems, which aims to safely balancing. Therefore, extreme weather phenomena reflect the Earth's healing mechanism. Limited thinking. Do you have a question? Why I mentioned the Earth's healing mechanism? I would like to mention optimistic thinking because of this self-healing mechanism. Although environmental problem causes serious damage and disaster, it can be elevated by broader self-healing mechanism and humans solving current activities and environmental friendly activity. For instance, given human positive operation for try keep the Earth temperature is stable or not increasing much, then self-healing mechanism may have set temperature is stable, maybe decreased even by individual impacts from recovering ecosystem, but these amazing results need to be ruled by scientists. Anyhow, anyhow, the other healing mechanism is an amazing mechanism which consolidates our optimistic thinking. When we solve a problem by serious manner with optimistic thinking, we will achieve amazing successes going beyond our initial goals. This is mutual resonance of strong bonds of partner. God the Father created the world and also punished human because human sin. But God the Son shall human up shall human by his love. The earth healing mechanism remains God the Son serving which consolidates our optimistic thinking. We are shown environmental problem from now with serious optimistic and enduring attitude. Moreover, the earth can live until billions of years and imagine predicting the development of science and technology after 1,000 years is nearly a dream. Tectonic collision at border causes earthquake, volcanic eruption, and tsunami. But it also belongs to the Earth healing mechanism, which also excites the development of science and technology. This indicates that a strong bond of partner alleviates our compromise with cost of other partners. Ambition. Ambition is a term of solidarity. There are many economic, social, and political problems over the world. Until we solve uh, and are solving many of them, there is many disagreement. Therefore, the ultimate problem of all problems is the disagreement problem because of the diversity of the world. It is more serious that the diversity helps us to solve many problems, and we must accept the diversity as well as polarity, multipolarity. As I mentioned in some other talk, ASEAN has a picture with many pieces within jigsaw puzzle. However, there is the problem that all of us have to mutually agree to solve it because it is serious, urgent, common, which is a problem of climate change. As a result, climate change is a term of solidarity because it is derived from a common agreement whereas climate change is itself narrative problem. This indicates what side of narrative problem, which also implies optimistic thinking. Moreover, solving problem of climate change is an interesting starting point of many operations related to some other economic, social, and political problems. Why? Because it's exciting. Because it's our real common enemy, which is an exception different from a framework viewpoint in international relations study. No one is forever friend, and no one is forever enemy. Solving problem of climate change need an international collaboration. Here, I mentioned scientific collaboration as an example of collaboration. Scientific collaboration. There are many scientists that advise, scientific and advise in management and leader science related to collaboration. Here, I only share with you here some of my individual thoughts about scientific collaborative work. Of course, collaboration always aims to combine strong bond of partners, and so this consideration can be expanded as follows. 1. Mutual resonance of strong bond of partners. 2. Strong bond of a partner alle- alleviates or complements weak bonds of other partners. 3. Mutual cancellation of weak bond of partners. Therefore, a constructive collaboration is always good because the worst case with a mutual resonance of weak bonds of partners will be never happen if the collaboration is constructive. Does there exist mutual cancellation of strong bonds? Yeah, it exists. And unfortunately, 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 the constructive collaboration cannot solve it. Scientific collaboration. In general, the main problem is that the collaboration has to be constructive and positive. I think that the constructive collaboration needs three following conditions at least. Partners share the same purpose. Partners collaborate in high professional manner, actually positive thinking, with with full of energy and expectation. High behavior and attitude. Our Japanese leader implies that even even every youthful rich joining in building up a wall also is become them, which also implies that accepting and encouraging encouraging governmental officials to deliver public administrative service able fulfill solution with conditional that the private service are encouraged to encouraged to. Collaboration also need negotiation. The next slide mentioned negotiation. Negotiation in collaboration. 1. Finding common agreements even though they are small or very small. 2. Preventing climate change from wood spreading at least. 3. Foster mobilization of supporting partners. 4. For opposing partners, weakening their spirit and legitimacy. 5. Propose a solution with goodwill and then push it to opposing partners. 6. Solving hazard problem by long step-by-step process with solving smaller problems. 7. Operation in few sides is the determination. However, when time is extended, situation will be changed, and so it will be possible to find out. It will be possible to find out the intersected bonds of on partners and the final bonds. These negotiation methods are only suggested techniques which only reflect combination in collaboration. Introduction to knowledge economy. We found that extreme weather phenomena reflect the Earth fueling mechanism, the Earth construction process includes many periods in which our current Holocene period is right after Pleistocene period, with end of glacial period, and open period of global warming like Holocene period. I just tell to me tell me. Therefore, it is possible to think that Pleistocene period is a creative period and Holocene period is a healing period. When you knew that glacial periods are terrible. Therefore, Extreme weather is not global but although it's harmful to humans. Only environmental pollution by humans is really necessary to be solved because it can be considered as a negative effect. However, it's right. The negative effect is also totally unavoidable because it's in the byproduct of human development, including social development and um, e- economic development. Therefore, a solution of environmental pollution is kind-hearted consciousness, such as such as brain, humble attitude, like the wisdom sentence. There is no one richer than God. Another solution of environmental pollution is to change or limit the byproduct environmental pollution by knowledge economy. I hope that I can research knowledge economy and can share my thinking, my thought about knowledge economy in the future. Anyhow, I couldn't love for AI and best for more. Thank you very much for your listening, and also thank you very much for your attending. Uh, I am very honored and happy to answer your question. And all of you again.